Hi everyone. Okay, today I do a very special um, decomposing. Yeah, those oranges are sort of expired or dropped before or abused before. You know lah. New Year time, the kids came to our house and they play with these oranges, and yeah lah, nobody know. Then after a while, they so-called expired or injured or bruises, and yeah, some of them already rotten unknowingly, because we are working right after New Year. So yeah, today also I am transplanting my tree, don't know what, Japanese melon, which I adopted I think before New Year. Yeah, so today I'm going to feed my composter with oranges. Yeah, a bit of acidity, and hopefully they don't grow orange for me or germinate. Yeah, so yeah, so what I does is I dig up about 2-inch deep, then I throw all the oranges inside, and my kitchen scrap, yeah, in my fridge for so long already. These are celery, I think. Yeah, so the leftover not yet composted eggshell, yeah, I think which are good for my fruit plants. Yeah, so oranges itself, when they decompose, yeah, they are more acidic, which are right fully good for the soil. And yeah, I don't crush them and let them slowly decompose lah. So hopefully, I think by 2 or 3 months, or can last 6 months, but I think, or more, because they need time to decompose. And yeah, inside, apart from ants, yeah, I got a lot of earthworm. I think they should love it, right? So vegetable are higher in nitrogen, so which is good for the seeding. Yeah, that's baby sprout lah. Then the rest, add in a bit of acidity and add in some egg for them again. Yeah, that will add on more on the pea, or yeah, okay, whatever lah. As long as I know, yeah, acidity, sorry, lower down the pH of the soil. So yeah, like this lah. So we'll see how. Anyway, it's my first time trying this. Okay, so stay tuned and bye bye.